Okay, so this is day 3 still. I want to throw this in real quick because we just got done watching a video on ordered pairs and inverse and range domain, and what we learned is, and hopefully what you saw, was that it set up patterns. So we want to talk about, if numbers go in a specific order, they form a pattern. And each number or symbol is a term in the sequence. So for example, if I have the pattern 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1 is the first term, 3 is the second term, 5 is the third, and so on. The difference between each term in an arithmetic sequence is constant. That means you are adding or subtracting the same number to get to the next term. And patterns are big in algebra and geometry, so this is kind of important to at least touch on as we move forward. The common difference is the constant difference in an arithmetic sequence. So patterns are broken into chunks. Study this pattern. You notice that it's a window, and it has how many steps in the pattern? Well, it has 4. And the pattern repeats itself right here. So if I tell you to draw the next 3 figures in the pattern, you're going to come down here to A and draw some windows and decide, okay, if the pattern repeats here, 5 is the same as step 1. So the next figure in the pattern will be the same as step 2. So we color in here. 6 would be the same as step 3, so we color in here. And 7 would be the same as step 4, so we're coloring in this one. And so you guys understand how patterns work, okay? So if I were to find the 19th square in the pattern, I could literally count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay? And so we know that the 19th pattern is the same as number 3. What I'm also going to tell you is it's multiples of 4, right? So 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's a quicker way to get to where we need to be. And so that's what sometimes happens when we look at algebraic patterns. If this pattern is x, x plus 4, x plus 8, x plus 12, then the pattern is getting to add by what? By 4s. So the next 2 terms are going to be x plus 16 and x plus 20. You guys have been doing patterns since you were probably in 2nd or 3rd grade. So I didn't want to spend a whole lot of time on it, but I just wanted you guys to understand that there are patterns. Okay? We are only looking for patterns that add or subtract. In these first 9 problems, you might be able to multiply and divide, and that's fine. Go ahead and do that for the first 9 problems. But if you can't find a common addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division for 10 through 21, don't worry about it. Don't do the problem. Put, no common difference. Okay? Just be able to tell me what the common difference is. If it doesn't have one, then put none. All right? You can do that for homework, or you can wait till class tomorrow. Completely your choice. But I definitely wanted to take just a quick couple minutes to touch on patterns.